Get strong.
Welcome back to another video on 12 years ago. In this video, there's going to be me from my mother, and in this video, I'm going to see who can assemble the fan the fastest. So I'm doing on the easier fan, and I'm going to see the hardest one right here.
Yeah, Mom gonna win.
No, I will.
Begin at the counter.
So let us begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Or like the face when you're covered up now. Look up time, yo. There. I'm gonna look at this one.
There we go, I'm finished.
You finish? Alright, you won. Put on the face on, please. Darn.
Yes, it's alright.
There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Always remember to like,
Share, and subscribe.
Peace.